Morning everyone, it's Simon Chalker here. Just want to do a quick unboxing video. You know, I don't do a lot of these nowadays because I'm busy doing videos on train journeys and train spotting, seeing various trains go by at certain stations. Anyway, I know what this is because I've bought this on Amazon, because I pre-ordered this on Amazon way back in June, since it was announced at E3 2018. I guess you'll know what it is, so I'm just going to open it up right now from this package here. And here it is. Super Smash Bros. Ultimate at long last. Well, before this came in, I think it was yesterday, I got a message from Amazon about I've got a promotion. I've got a DLC code for Petty Piranha as a free DLC. I need to add this down on my Nintendo accounts to use my Nintendo points to download it. So even though it comes out, it'll be arriving it'll be available to download in the game in January next year, in January 2019 next year. So I'll be able to. I'll download it. I'll use that code at some point later on today or next week. Some point today or next week. Anyway, it's the back. Over 70 fighters, including this game. And this is the PAL. This is the PAL version. Well, you can buy this game also in the States as well, because Nintendo no longer use the region locking system on the Switch, so you can get games from overseas, including North America, Japan, and from North America, Japan, and Oceania. So it makes it more easy, just like with the handheld games on Nintendo, on previous Nintendo systems, including previous Nintendo handheld systems, including the Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, and Nintendo DS. So now Nintendo Switch is now the answer. Now I'm doing it now. So anyway, let's open this up. Around. Right, here we go. Played the game 3 months ago for the first time at EGX 2018, and it looks really good. Played a few times, it was excellent. And inside the case, you've got all the characters in the cover here, in the inside cover, and the assigned rate of fight. And here's the game cartridge. Let's get focus. And here's the game cart. Here's the game cartridge. Going to fit into my Nintendo Switch right now. Well, there you go. I'm going to start playing it right now. So, see ya.